Israel versus Iran military power comparison. Which country is stronger? Talking about military preparations, there is aggressive rhetoric from both sides. According to a report by The Sun, Iran is behind Israel in terms of defense budget, but Iran is far ahead of Israel in terms of the number of active troops. According to the report, Israel's defense budget is $24.2 billion, while Iran's defense budget is $9.9 billion. Talking about air power, Israel has 612 planes, and Iran has 551 planes. However, in terms of tanks, Iran has almost twice the strength of Israel. Israel has 2,200 tanks, and Iran has 4,071 tanks. Iran is also ahead of Israel in the military power of the sea. Israel has 67 warships, while Iran has a long-standing fleet of 101 warships. Apart from this, Israel has 43,000 armored vehicles, while Iran has 65,000 armored vehicles. Iran is also heavy on Israel in terms of the number of troops. Israel has 1.73 lakh soldiers, while Iran has 5.75 lakh active soldiers. Apart from this, Israel has 4.65 lakh reserve soldiers, while Iran has 3.50 lakh reserve soldiers. According to international media reports, land power parameter Israel versus Iran. Iran has tanks 1996 while Israel has tanks 1,370. Iran armored vehicles 65,765. Israel armored vehicles 43,407. Iran self-propelled artillery 580. Israel self-propelled artillery 650. Iran towed artillery 2,050. Israel towed artillery 300. Iran mobile rocket launchers 775. Israel mobile rocket launchers 775. Air power total aircraft Iran total aircraft 551. Israel total aircraft 612. Iran fighter jets 186. Israel fighter jets 241. Iran dedicated attack aircraft 23. Israel dedicated attack aircraft 39. Iran transport aircraft 86. Israel transport aircraft 12. Iran trainers 102. Israel trainers 155. Iran special missions 10. Israel special missions 23. Iran aerial tankers 7. Israel aerial tankers 14. Iran helicopters 129. Israel helicopters 146. Iran attack helicopters 13. Israel attack helicopters 48. Naval power. Fleet strength. Iran has fleet strength 101. Israel has fleet strength 67. Aircraft carriers. Iran aircraft carriers 0. Israel aircraft carriers 0. Helo-carriers. Iran helo-carriers 0. Israel helo-carriers 0. Submarines Iran submarines 19. Israel submarines 5. Destroyers Iran destroyers 0. Israel destroyers 0. Frigates Iran frigates 7. Israel frigates 0. Corvettes Iran corvettes 3. Israel corvettes 7. Patrol vessels Iran patrol vessels 21. Israel patrol vessels 45. Mine warfare Iran mine warfare 1. Israel mine warfare 0. Israel currently has 80 nuclear bombs, while Iran officially has no nuclear bombs. It is clear that only based on the atomic bomb, Israel can defeat Iran in the war.